What's the meaning of crock-pot? Crock-pot. Crock-pot.
Crock-pot. Crock-pot. Crock-pot refers to a brand of slow cooker appliance that is used for cooking food at low temperatures for extended periods of time. The result of using a crock-pot is typically tender, flavorful, and well-cooked food that can be easily prepared and enjoyed by a group of people. By slowly cooking the ingredients over several hours, the flavors in the dish are allowed to meld together, resulting in rich, delicious meals. Additionally, using a crock-pot can save time and effort as it allows for hands-free cooking while attending to other tasks.